Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy, in today's newspaper of Friday, January the 6th, 2023. We have in this newspaper also an additional with extra puzzles, but let me start with this one. Sudoku Heavy, a speed test because it's today the first Friday of the month. Every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test with the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy, and this will be a number 5746. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars. For 3 stars, I need actually 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's a speed test, so should be faster. Otherwise, it's not. Yeah, a speed test should be faster than the indicated time. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan. 988 888 999 666. Where's the 999? 99. There should be the 988 11. I'm scanning. 4. So here should be the 4. 4. All right, this should be the 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. All right. Then 8 1 5 here. 5 2 should be there. 1 3 3. Here should be the 3 3 3 3. Here should be the 3. Here 3. Oh, 3 3. Here should be the 3. Okay. 4 6 should be there. Should be here. Then 6 here. So here should be the 6 then. 1 2 3 4. No 1 here. 1 1 1 9. Only 1 5 here. 5 5. 6 should be here. Well, 9 9 9. 7 7. Here should be the 7. There should be the 7. No 9 here. 9 9. 9 5 7. 9 5 7. And the 6 is missing. 6 6 6. Here should be the 6. 1 1 1 1. Yeah, 2 2. Here should be the 2. 2 2 2 2 2. No. 2 2. Come on. 2 2. We have a pair, 2 and a 3. So the other pair of 5 and then 9. Okay, the 9 should be here. 5 5 1 5 9 4 2. Okay, no 2 here. 2 2. Oh, 2 2 2. This should be the 7 then. 3 2 5 and the 6. This should be the 5 6 should be here. I've marked these two boxes with a 6? Yeah. We have a 6 here. Eliminated the 2. 7 and then 5. 3 should be there. 1 and the 8. Come on. 6. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here should be the 2. 2, 2. Here should be the 2. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. How about these two? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8. Other pair, 3 and the 5. 5, 3, 3. This should be the 3. I've had a 6. This should be the 6. 1 box left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 and a 9. Okay. How about here? 5, 9 and 7. 5, 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 9. 5, 5, 5. 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 7. On a pair, 1 and a 8. 8, 8. 8 and a 6 should be here. 9 and a 7. 9, 7 and 1. We have a 1 here. 9 and 9 and 9 and 7 here. Okay. These two, 1 and 8. We have a pair. So these 3 should be the 5 is missing. 5, 5. This should be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. So this should be the 6. This should be an 8. This should be an 8. This should be the 6. 8, 8. This should be the 8. 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. This should be the 7. This should be the 9. This should be the 9. And this should be the 1. 8, 1, 8, 1. 7 and a 5. 7, 5. 7 and a 9. Finish! 8 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Cannot believe this in 8 minutes. Wow. Sudoku Heavy. Oh, 9 and 7. Oh, wait. 9, 7, 9. Well, still 8 minutes. Overlook these two. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. This one. Yes. 20 to 30 minutes. Well, in 8 minutes, we solved this Sudoku Heavy, and I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the afternoon or in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday. See you.